Good morning! Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we are making Keto Keema. Alright, let's start. This dish is similar to what my grandmother used to cook for us. Here are the ingredients you need, or you can click on the link in the description box to get a full info on my blog. First, blend onion, garlic, and ginger together. Add a little bit of water. Blend until you get a purple smoothie looking consistency. I have a bad habit of smelling blended ingredients. Let's just say don't stick your nose in there, it might get nasty. Heat up the oil. I use a high smoke point oil and this one is avocado oil. Throw in the cloves and cardamoms and wait for them to sizzle a little. Add the blended ingredients. Have your heat on medium, keep stirring. You can cover it for a while, but watch it regularly and don't let it burn. Let it cook and wait for it to get really aromatic. Next, add in all the powdered spices. At this stage, I can see that the concoction is a little dry, so I added a couple more tablespoons of oil. Be patient with this. Keep stirring. You know it's ready when it looks like the oil has separated from the paste. Basically, the paste looks glistening and shiny instead of matte. Once that happens, throw in your ground meat. Literally. Mix it all up and add about a cup of water. Let it cook. Once the meat is cooked, throw in the tomatoes and salt to taste. You'll want to leave it again until the oil separates. When it looks shiny like this, add in the chili pepper and cilantro. Stir it for a while and then it's done. What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Do comment to let me know what recipes you'd like to see. Till next time!